Today we're going to do a tutorial for Twist and Shout, the Beatles version. Okay, so this is the way I play it on solo acoustic guitar if you want to play it by yourself. I have it on the channel, but it is tuned down a half a step. And sorry, I didn't mean to give you the finger there, it's just holding my pick. It's tuned down a half a step with the way I play it on the channel, but here I'm tuned up to the regular key, so it's in D, the key of D, okay? First chord is D. And in the beginning of the song, so we'll get right into it. The beginning of the song, there's just 3 notes, it leads up to it. I do that for the intro to make it sound more like the song. So on the 5th string, it's open 5th string, 1st finger 2nd fret, 3rd finger 4th fret. So it walks up the bass line. Okay, so open 1st finger 2nd fret, 3rd finger 4th fret, and then hit the open 4th string, which is the 1st chord of the song, the D. And then the D chord, which is the 1st finger 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger 3rd fret, 2nd string, and 2nd finger 2nd fret, 1st string. Like that. Real slow. Okay. And then G. So G is. So G and A, that's the only chords in the entire song, D, G, and A. It's amazing. Amazing, such a good song. Only 3 chords, so simple, A lot to learn from this song and these guys, right? So G chord is 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the 4th and 3rd strings remain open, the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. I'll have the diagrams here as well for you guys. And then I just go down up on that G chord, and then I go to A. Okay? So A chord, again, you can play it like this with all 3 fingers. I find it a lot simpler just to bar the 3. Okay? And sometimes you might, if you have trouble, I have a tutorial on how to do this the major chords, the open major chords tutorial. But if you have trouble, sometimes people have trouble not letting the 1st string ring because it's hard to not hit that at first, right? So I just bar my 1st finger. It's however you choose to do it with whatever fingers you choose. It's open 5th string, then 2nd fret on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings, the 1st string's open. So that's the intro. And you can stop the strings in between and mute. I do that throughout the song just to give it some rhythm because it's just me playing the same chords over and over. So I give it some, and it's a really upbeat song. It's a really high energy song. So to give it a little more feeling, like as if you had a drummer or something. So regular speed intro. And that's the whole song. So for the rest of the song, you just go 2 strokes on the D, down, up, down, down, up, G, down, up, mute if you want to, and then A. And you can just go down, up, down, up, down, up. If you feel it, like to build the rhythm a little bit and to build the feeling into the next part, you can start strumming it. So like that. So that's how I play it when I'm singing it, so it gives it some rhythm and feel. But you can also do that to build up to the next part. So sometimes I'll put that in, especially when you're building to the A part. That's the only other part there is, but it's only an A chord. That's the only thing you play. So when it's like, and that's the whole part. You just keep strumming the A. Okay? So that's the entire song, that's it. Such a simple tune, but such a great tune. And the outro is the same thing, just keeps playing the same part over again, just singing different words, different tune. And that's it, yeah. DGA. Well, it was an easy one, huh? So if you have any questions about the tune, if I missed anything, if you have any questions, need clarification on anything, let me know. Or I'm more curious about the muting. I have a tutorial on muting on here if you do have more questions about the muting. So that's it. So have fun playing, guys, and enjoy practicing. I'll see you next time. Take care.